Hello, my name is Zalal Mashatu, and I am a BYU Pathway software development student. And here um, I'm just trying to show the module 3, which is an assignment for week 6. Uh, Here it is. There is a network a little bit problem, so the assignment is about doing. mm, choosing module 3, and I chose the SQL database relation, and therefore first I use the tool for VS Code, and in this VS Code I just try to do the name given for uh, the database is it is for the student database project. So under that there is a Python language which is student app, and here is the README, and the other one is the language for SQL, which is a database. So under student, I can show you over here. Um, this is the student app, the Python, which is it should import the my SQL connector and everything stuff here, the password and the print, and at the end it closes. So the database is here. It is create database. The database, if it's not exists, student DB, and everything is the coding. There is in the stuff which is everything is programmed. So that what I did for this program is I use the extension to install over here the SQL. As you see, when I am searching for extension, you can see my SQL is already installed in my VS Code. So that for example, like if you see I go to the new terminal, mm, the new terminal here, for example here, this is a student app for the Python, and then after I go here, and here it is, for example, like to test the program, I start by writing Python, uh, then after student, and then after app.py, and when I put enter, and it takes a little bit a second, so it can display all these names together on the displaying output for the VS Code. So that what I did, this is actually the info, the output for VS Code for this assignment. And at the same time, here is the MySQL workbench that I installed earlier. Actually, it takes a little bit time to show it to you, everything stuff. And I understand also the time that I'm presenting right now is dark and it's night time. My camera is no good. I'm sorry for that. So I can open, for example, here, open the script SQL, and I can take this one, the audio, video, something stuff down. So I can select here student database project. Here it says no items match your search. Let me go to the desktop. Here is the BYU Idaho, and then I go down to current CSE 310002, and then I go down again and I can choose this one and then this one. I'm sorry, not this one. So I can take, for example, here the database, and yeah, that's good. And now I can run if I want under this. If you see, like, I can write here, uh, for example, here I can say show um, table, um, and then I can execute it if I wanted here. First, let me execute the above one before I do this one. I'm sorry. Um, Execution, here you can see that grant or privileged student. Um, it can show over here. I can take this one a little bit up. Yeah, this one screen sharing. So as you've seen, like when I'm executing, it's bringing a name and the age stuff and their gender together with their email. So, for example, if I want to say, um, for example, like to show tables, I can write down over here. Mm, Over here down, I can say show with the capital letters, show, show, and then tables. Then after I use a hyphen, and then I click this execution. Yeah, I know it brings. Okay, let me see this output. And okay, something is wrong over here. So I can say that show tables again. I think something is wrong with my command. Thank you very much for watching. If I do have time, I will present for you later on again. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.